Man-Portable Air Defense Systems, or MANPADS, give infantry the ability to engage low-flying aircraft, helicopters, and drones with shoulder-fired missiles. The U.S. military's primary system is the FIM-92 Stinger, a fire-and-forget infrared-guided weapon with a range of over 5 miles that locks onto heat signatures for rapid deployment in any terrain. During Arctic Edge 2026 near Fort Greely, Alaska, soldiers launched Stinger missiles at MQM-170 Outlaw UAS targets, practicing live fire against realistic drone threats in extreme cold conditions. These systems provide critical point defense for forward units when larger air defenses are unavailable. If you enjoyed my video, please like and follow for more content. Vet Mil Tech, daily from the drop zone.